saying, where are you going for vacation? I'm sure you're going to go to Florida, maybe the Bahamas, maybe on a cruise. And I said, no, I'm going to Israel. And they said, why would you want to go to a war front? And I said, I just feel like I want to be part of this and help out and just do my part.
The farmers could not survive without the help of the volunteers. The volunteers they're filling the gap, and they're crucial to the agricultural world in Israel. Without them, many farmers would collapse.
Well, we chose to come to Israel to help because it's hard to sit at home in Los Angeles and watch what's happening and not want to do something. And this was something we could do to come and help whoever needed help. And it's mostly farmers.
From the start, and more than 145,000 volunteers have volunteered across Israel in the last 3 months since the beginning of the war.
While I'm doing something as simple as picking tomatoes, it's a lot more than that. And whatever we can do to help is what we want to do.